Hi there, so welcome to Market Research Universe and you are watching MRU Navigator with me, Midul. This is one of the kind of platform that I am telling you. This is actually designed for startups also, and we are coming up with more than 500 startup ideas here in this platform. So all the aspiring founders, entrepreneurs, this is a platform. We have a platform like MRU Navigator for business planning, startup ideas and business planning. So at this point, I wanted to mention that this particular video that I am making now, this is actually powered by our recent, published report, which is, you wanna see this inside this video. So this is one of our business, model or ideas that is presently it is very trending, and over the time going to be in future time going to be very, going to be a very in demanding. Okay, so that's how this platform is going to help you to understand that what is the what are the businesses which is in trend, and then that business is not only in trend but also profitable, that how you can get started and get your profit. So this is how we help you to start your business, not only start but also scale your business. So I want you to watch this particular video, business plan guide, and then after this full report, we will come up with give you a particular solution or our platform, how our platform can help you to start this business, and as well as the services that we provide to scale this business. So I want you to watch this video, and in the end I will come up with the solution and services.
India is entering the next big energy revolution. From steel plants to fuel stations, industries are searching for clean alternatives to fossil fuels. And, one fuel is emerging as the ultimate game changer: green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy like solar and wind, and it produces zero carbon emissions. It has the power to run factories, fuel trucks, and even replace fossil fuels in heavy industries. But here's the exciting part for entrepreneurs. This isn't just an environmental solution. It's one of the most powerful future business opportunities of this decade. With strong policy support and rising industrial demand in India, this business offers long-term contracts, high revenue potential, and massive scalability for early entrants. With India's National Green Hydrogen Mission, the government is actively supporting hydrogen production, infrastructure, and investment, aiming to make India a global hub for clean hydrogen. This creates a massive first-mover advantage for entrepreneurs to enter early, capture market share, and build a high-value, future-ready energy business. Here's what we'll cover. Target customers for your hydrogen business, market research, growth data, and key trends. Marketing and sales strategy to secure industrial clients. Financial planning including plant costs and profit margins. Funding and government subsidy options. Company incorporation and legal approvals. Supporting documents required. And finally, how Market Research Universe can help you launch and scale your hydrogen business. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. The green hydrogen production business in India serves some of the biggest industries in the country. Fertilizer companies that use hydrogen to produce ammonia, oil refineries that need hydrogen for fuel processing, steel manufacturers shifting toward green steel production, power generation and hydrogen fuel station operators, export markets like Europe, Japan, and South Korea, and investors backing the future of clean energy. With India targeting 5 million tons of green hydrogen production by 2030, the demand is guaranteed to grow rapidly. Market research and analysis. India's green hydrogen market is in its early stage but growing at massive speed. The market is projected to grow from $0.62 billion in 2025 to $9.2 billion by 2035 at a CAGR of 31%. Key growth drivers. National Green Hydrogen Mission with 19,744 crore government support. rising demand from fertilizer, steel, and refinery industries, export opportunities to global hydrogen importing countries, falling solar and wind energy costs making production cheaper, India's net zero carbon target by 2070. Major companies like Reliance Industries, NTPC, Adani, and Indian Oil are already investing billions, but the demand is so large that thousands of new hydrogen producers will be needed. Marketing and sales strategy. Success in this business depends on securing long-term industrial contracts. The branding strategy here is to position your company as a clean energy producer. It's important to highlight government compliance and carbon-free production, while also promoting cost savings and sustainability benefits. When it comes to sales channels, focus on direct supply to fertilizer plants and refineries. You should also look at partnerships with steel manufacturers and consider supplying hydrogen to fuel stations. There's also the opportunity to export hydrogen to international markets. For your promotional strategy, participate in renewable energy expos, connect with industrial buyers, and work on building strong B2B relationships. Make sure to promote your brand as a future energy provider. In this business, long-term contracts really do ensure stable revenue. Financial planning and profit margins. Now let's talk about investment and profit. A small to medium-scale green hydrogen production plant requires around 50 crore to 150 crore rupees investment. Major costs include electrolyzer system, which can be about 30 to 80 crore rupees. Then, solar or wind power setup, usually 10 to 40 crore. Land and infrastructure might cost 5 to 15 crore, and storage and compression will be around 5 to 10 crore. As for revenue and profit, hydrogen selling price ranges from 300 to 450 rupees per kilogram. Annual revenue potential is somewhere between 30 crore and 120 crore rupees. Net profit margins typically range between 20% to 35%. The break-even period? That's usually 4 to 7 years. Once operational, this becomes a long-term, high-revenue business. Funding and investment options. This business receives massive government and investor support. There are government schemes like the National Green Hydrogen Mission subsidies and also production-linked incentives. You can get low-interest loans from IREDA. For private funding, there are venture capital firms, ESG and climate investors, and even strategic partnerships with energy companies. Bank loans are available from SBI, IREDA, and Power Finance Corporation. Because hydrogen is the future, funding availability is actually quite strong. Company incorporation and legal setups. Before starting, you need proper legal approvals. The best structure is a private limited company. Mandatory registrations include company registration, GST registration, MSME registration, factory license, pollution control board approval, environmental clearance, and hydrogen storage approval. Supported document required. You'll need director identity and address proof, company incorporation documents, land and plant documents, financial project report, environmental clearance report, bank and investor approvals. How Market Research Universe can help. Starting a hydrogen production business requires detailed planning and strategy. That's where Market Research Universe can help you. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years? Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% of startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing, gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their, with their career, with their time. Now, time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 80 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh Program in Market Research and Business Consulting. So till the time, I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is the India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform, you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course, through this platform, our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform, we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that, being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market forecasting, and then find out the best profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success. Okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days. Okay, after that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're gonna launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're gonna continue with your branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.